Hi, my name is Dr. Jessica Meers. I am a psychologist board certified in behavioral sleep medicine. And I wanted to share a few more tips and tricks for helping our teens sleep better that could be beneficial. And these are a little bit lesser known strategies that could actually make all the difference. The first thing I want to talk about is bright light. Many of us, because we're inside during the day, we're in school, we're in work, and we conduct most of our lives within artificial lighting. Many of us aren't getting the bright light that we need. Bright light is vital for us to feel alert and to regulate our circadian rhythm so that we can feel sleepy at night. So I really encourage using this knowledge to your advantage, especially with teenagers. So in the couple hours before bed, make sure that you're dimming the lights, maybe turning on lamps rather than overhead lights, and not exposing yourself to too much bright light in the couple hours before bed. On the flip side, bright light in the morning can be really helpful for our teenagers who need to get a jump start on the day. So oftentimes teenagers are very sluggish in the morning because they have to get up earlier than their body wants them to. So we can help support them by getting them exposure to either outside light, so bright daylight. We can also help by opening the windows, blinds, curtains, and making sure that first thing in the morning they're greeted with enough light to get them alert. Additionally, one strategy that I found has been helpful is having pre-programmed lights that automatically turn on maybe at the time that they're supposed to be awake in the morning. So you can do the standard room lights and make them come on at 7 a.m. or whenever the alarm goes off to help them wake up and help them feel more alert in the morning. Additionally, there's things like alarm clocks that are called sunrise alarm clocks that can start emitting light in the few minutes before the alarm goes off, and then it gets brighter and brighter, kind of mimicking the sun rising. Those can be really helpful. But if anything, if you're a parent and you're trying to wake up your kid, just switching on the overhead light can make all the difference in the morning time. And make sure that they're getting up and active during the day, getting outside, getting that daylight, which is the best at regulating our circadian rhythms. One thing that I've found is that many of our students are way overcommitted. They're signed up for all kinds of extracurricular activities, or they just got way too much homework or social obligations. This means that they're up late at night doing homework or just getting home from a practice. And this can make it really hard for kids to wind down for sleep. If they're up until 11 o'clock doing homework, we can't expect them to be able to fall asleep right away. We need some differentiation between daytime activities and nighttime activities and sleep. So we need to first make sure that kids have the opportunity to get enough sleep, meaning that they're not doing too many extracurriculars, they're getting homework done earlier in the day, and that they have wind down time. And wind down time it'd be best if we could do an hour, but even half an hour is better than nothing. And this is time that is really about doing something enjoyable and relaxing. So it could be watching TV. That's not something bad. For some, it could be scrolling the phone, although that's a little bit murky. But this is time designated to engaging in relaxing activities so that this can serve as a cue for bedtime, that bedtime is approaching. So really think about your adolescent's schedule. Are they overcommitted? And is that overcommitment getting in their way of their ability to sleep? If so, we need to make some changes because they need to have plenty of opportunity to wind down so that they can get good sleep and sleep all night long. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you guys next week.